It's just the place you would have expected in previous times to have seen US leadership, a global crisis and world leaders coming together with a response. The idea of this event to coordinate the search for a vaccine, testing and treatments for COVID-19 and to make sure all are widely available.
The world needs these tools and it needs them fast. Past experience has taught us that even when tools are available, they have not been equally available to all. We cannot allow that to happen.
A world free of COVID-19 requires the most massive public health effort in history. Data must be shared, production capacity prepared, resources mobilized, communities engaged, and politics set aside. I know we can do it. I know we can put people first.
Leaders spoke from all regions of the world. Technically, bringing them all together was a bit of a challenge.
Your Excellency, you have the floor.
Can you hear me now?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay.
Germany, one of 4 members of the G7 group of countries that were represented.
We're now going to continue to mobilise all countries of the G7 and the G20 for them to back this initiative. I hope that we will be able to reconcile this initiative with China and the US, because the fight against COVID-19 is a common good for humanity. There shouldn't be any divisions between countries. We need to join forces to win this battle.
The fact that the World Health Organization was the host of the event explains why the US didn't take part. President Trump cut all new funding to the WHO because he claimed the global health body had not been tough enough on China.
The WHO failed in this basic duty and must be held accountable.
A spokesperson for the US mission to the UN in Geneva, where the WHO is based, told Al Jazeera, "There'll be no US official participation. We were informed of this event last week, and we look forward to learning more about this initiative as soon as possible." Following this event, the next phase will be led by the European Union. In 10 days' time, they'll be trying to raise $8 billion to make sure that vaccines, testing and treatment are available to everyone. James Bays, Al Jazeera at the United Nations.
Dr. Jahan El-Bayoumi is a professor of medicine at the George Washington University School of Medicine. She says despite its shortcomings, the World Health Organization's mission is crucial to tackle a global health crisis.
The WHO is essential, and it has been a world leader for decades. I think that the crisis of COVID-19 underscores the importance of having a holistic, global, international approach with putting the best minds from all over the world together, both in the public health domain, the clinical domain, and of course the research domain. And that cannot be separated from issues of poverty, of war even, of climate change. You must have a holistic view because these issues are interconnected. The WHO's leadership has, while imperfect in some cases, but certainly admirable, I completely support their mission.